Web2Print's a great idea. It's a great service for agencies to offer their clients, in particular multi-site clients. Web2Print allows you to help your client to manage localized promotions by making sure that everything that they need, such as leaflets, flyers and promotional goods, are on brand whenever they need them for any location. From your perspective, Web2Print is an innovative service you can deliver to your clients and can help to make the client relationship a little bit more sticky. What's more, it opens up new revenue streams. Web2Print is something new that you can do for your client. Web2Print makes additional use of your creative work. Of course, Web2Print doesn't replace the creative stage. It provides an additional way for your client to implement localized promotions. It's particularly useful when the offer changes from location to location and the timing of the promotion varies across the network. It helps them to get what they need from various suppliers without manual intervention, whilst keeping things on brand. Web2Print makes managing these things easier for the client and dovetails with the way their marketing team works. Whilst Web2Print's a great idea, from the perspective of the agency preparing the system for the client, up until now it has been somewhat cumbersome. Printing.com thinks this is down to 3 reasons: the skill set that's required, the training needed, and the template creation itself. Let's take a look at each in more detail. Many Web2Print systems require someone at the agency to have a specific technical skill set, often using a proprietary software application, involving the likes of colours being specified in hexadecimal values, along with script conventions to control typographic requirements. Because the system requires a specific proprietary skill set and involves working in an unfamiliar application, the necessary training could run into days. Because the training runs into several days, inevitably one person from the agency would be chosen to be the template specialist and attend the training. This means that inevitably a team of 3 would be required to build a template: the account handler, the graphic designer, plus the template specialist. This makes the process far from simple. Taking into account the larger team and the process itself, to build a template using other systems could put 2 hours or more on the clock. So, current Web2Print systems require a different skill set, along with a heavy training burden for the designated specialist and a complex template building process involving a team of 3. Printing.com thought it was time for a change. Printing.com thought there was a better way. So we started with a blank canvas and thought about how partners would want to use Web2Print. This began with the skill set. First and foremost, creative agencies already have a designer skill set. So we think that that's the way the W3P system should work. Today, InDesign is the clear choice for the creative community. So we think making templates should be a simple extension of the InDesign skill set. Because W3P works with a simple extension of the designer skill set, the training burden is marginal. It takes 2 hours to learn rather than days. Because W3P works with the designer skill set and only takes 2 hours to learn, all your InDesign users can become template specialists. So when it comes to making the template for the client, the process becomes a lot simpler. With more people trained, the template specialist is no longer needed. The briefing process is simplified because the designers work on the creative stage and make the templates themselves, and the testing stage is also simplified, as the third person hasn't been introduced into the process. So we can say adios to the template specialist. Aside from simplifying the process, actually making the template is a lot easier when working in a native format. A template can be built in 10 minutes using the W3P system. The W3P system uses the native skill set, which lightens the training burden as well as offering a simpler way to build templates. W3P makes Web2Print work the way you work. Let's have a look at building a template.